Oh my God.
I can't tell, but it's just rip and drag.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. Today my friend Ben Giles is coming over and we are going to go do a little bit of pond hopping. Mark and his buddy Mitch are supposed to meet up with us later. Me and Ben are going to go to a couple of the ponds around the area here, see if we can get anything going. I think we're going to head back to that pond where I had to pull that drain plug out first. Most of the water around here is really muddy right now because we've had a ton of rain. It's actually like kind of misting right now. It's supposed to clear up a little bit. It's supposed to warm up a tad. It's a little chilly right now. I'm probably actually going to go back inside and layer up a little better because it's kind of cold. But yeah, let's get after it. Stay tuned.
Oh my gosh. You guys remember when they had me take that drain plug off? Look at this, there's a snapping turtle stuck into the drain. I wonder what he was trying to do. Dude, if you get that after they probably tried to do it like that. Oh yeah, and there's so much suction there, dude. My kayak got stuck to that when I first pulled it. I'm about to go get the kayak. I'm just gonna get the kayak, dude.
It's like a cat that has to Man, what a shitty way to die.
Have your brain sucked out your nose? This is probably what happened.
Yeah, it was a fish I was stuck in it.
You think? Oh, you're probably right. No way. Wonder how long they tried before they were able to.
They didn't have technique like me. That thing was dead though.
Why did it sink? It's gonna go back to it.
Probably because there's a bunch of water sucked up in it.
I'm probably gonna have to put that thing back on. Dude, geez, that was nice, dude.
Yeah,
nice execution.
Yeah, thanks, man. So it's all about technique. It's another day of being a hero.
Hi, buddy. You a nice horse or a mean horse? Oh, look at that. He just like bit me. I got some cheese for him, you can have. You're gonna zap yourself there, bud. You can give him some grass. Oh, you're a horse whisperer. Horse whisperer.
Oh, you want that green stuff.
Grass is greener on the other side, right?
Yeah.
It bit the tail off, dude. I just had one bite the tail off of my swim bait on here. No! No! That line sucks.
Yeah.
I might have more. I think I just got hit again. Might have more line. It's not good, man. On this one I got like 60. It's braid, yeah. But on my other ones I got like 12 pounds. You're just like, no. There he is. Oh, biggin. 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 I think. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. That's not a bad one. Thought he was bigger than that. That's not bad. I'm about to try to boat flip. I might lose him. Probably shouldn't. Oh yeah. That's not bad. I thought he was bigger than that. He hit so good. Choked it. Dude, look, he wanted that, bro. That spinnerbait would have been money for you too, but I think I got more. Look at that. Look at that hook set. I thought, dude, he felt big. I thought he was way bigger than that. Not bad though. I'll take it. Easy just lost my spinnerbait.
Yep. It's over there somewhere.
Man, I literally thought that was gonna be twice that size. Look at that. That's an extra heavy. He had it doubled. Hey, bro. Alright, so there's a ton of them in here like that, but there's some really big ones too. Okay. Oh, something happened. Dude, that's a good one. It's not huge, but it's not bad.
I was like literally like, I'm just gonna cast one more time.
Last cast.
I was like, I've covered every aspect of this pond.
Don't lose him.
It's nice and cold.
I wouldn't flip him because I don't know how good your line is.
Okay. Wow, that's a really pretty fish.
Oh, there we go. That's not bad, dude. Not bad.
All right. Whatever. I didn't get skunked.
Hell yeah. We're gonna hit some other spots though too. That's your first chatterbait bass, probably. Not bad, dude.
All right. And that one on a good note.
Hell yeah. You literally said last cast.
Then it gets skunked with the turtle. Then it gets skunked with the bass. All right, later, man. All right.
Cool.
Good note. Cool.
All right, guys. Well, we just pulled up to Mark's house. I think we're gonna pick up his buddy Mitch, and then we're gonna go try some other spots. Ben's got probably about an hour to fish, and then he's got to get his kids. Then we're gonna do some more fishing. What do you think, dude?
I think it's good to stay hydrated when you're out with activities like this.
I bet you Mark's still sleeping. Oh God! Oh God! Oh, my shoe just fell off.
Your shoe exploded.
What is that? My insole. I just about died. Yep.
Don't talk and text.
Yeah. Don't walk and vlog. I don't even know. I see somebody.
What's up? Oh, Mark ruined it. What's up, man? How are you?
Surviving the coronavirus.
Dude, I think I had it.
You had
I
it?
think I kicked it already though.
No.
What's up, buddy? Yeah, so my truck's not very big, and I got a bunch of stuff in the little back baby kitty seat things. So Mitch is gonna be riding shotgun, and Ben's gonna be riding in the back with the kayak. Don't fall out, dude.
It's better than riding bitch. Hey, get back out.
You all right back there, buddy?
Yeah, man.
This is West Virginia right now. I think I can see him on the mirror. We're gonna try this little pond right down from my house too, which is sweet. Mitch right here got access to the other day, so he said he did pretty good. It's not very big, but I mean it's big enough. So yeah, we're gonna give it a try. Stay tuned. I'm about to tie on another blue jig. Oh yeah, there it is.
Oh,
No, man, that was a good one.
it hit hard. Spit it out.
Man, I got your defeat on camera.
That's all right.
Man. Oh, Benny.
Oh, really?
Benny.
I ruined it. That was the biggest one yet. At least a quarter pounder.
This whole episode is just like a shit show.
You want to go that line?
I don't know what we're doing right now.
You know, I'm more of like a quantity fisher. It ain't about the bass. It ain't about the catfish. It's about the numbers.
That's how far I did it.
Somebody asked me, like, how'd you do fishing? And yeah, I caught 100 bluegill. What the fuck you do? One bass? Not impressed. I'm on one. Here we go. Woo! Catch 15 of the day. No big deal. Put them back in.
You gonna get the release?
Yeah, I'm gonna revive it.
Oh,
I'm not. Had more fight in than I thought.
How many bluegill tournaments have you won?
All of them.
Well, no, I beat him once.
No, I won them all.
No, I beat you once.
Name it.
I beat you.
Name the tournament. Non-existent.
It was at Piedmont.
Sounds like a lie.
Thought I saw you just steal kids' fish.
Nope.
Going anywhere.
Ben, are you stealing his fish?
No, I am not.
You take your fish?
Yes.
I do not take that fish and cast it back out.
Admitted it.
Alright guys, so this video was all over the place again. Anytime I hang out with Ben, it's always a blast because the dude is just, he's just goofy. But yeah, this video is a little different, a little more weird. I think I'm gonna start doing some more little vlogs like this. It's just fun, I don't know. I'd say that most of my videos usually aren't that serious anyway, but yeah, this one was definitely a little more wacky. Didn't even really catch that many fish, but oh, it was a blast. How about that turtle getting stuck in the drain? Like that's just, that's crazy. Ben thinks a fish probably got stuck on it or something, and the turtle came over and sucked his head down. I don't know, that was a pretty big snapping turtle. Definitely pretty sure it was dead. It looked like it had just died too, because it wasn't like all stiff or anything like that. I don't know how Ben was able to get it out with that pipe. I was just gonna drop the kayak in and get that turtle off there, but he was determined to get it with the pipe, and he managed to do it. Ben is actually going to come back over next Sunday. So, actually, well, this Sunday now. So you'll be seeing more of him on the channel. Hope you guys are looking forward to that. Hopefully next time I catch some more fish and don't have to rescue any turtles or anything like that. But yeah, guys, that is all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.